not take long at all. Been 5 minutes, guys. First fish of the day. On the good old drop shot. You know, the drop shot is so reliable. Let me talk about this rig for a second. After I let this baby go. All right. I don't think this is a keeper, but fish is a fish. Got the skunk out the way, so let's keep it going. You know, 3 or 4 years ago when I first picked up bass fishing, I would strictly use a drop shot every time I went out with my $40 Walmart spinning reel, and I would catch tons of fish, tons and tons of fish. And then I really got into the sport later on, picked up a couple of bait casters, tried other rigs, but it wouldn't produce as much as a drop shot had back in the day. So I've been on a drop shot hiatus these past couple of years. Like, really, I have stayed away from it and just been learning how to use other things. But today, I have brought it back. I have confidence in this, and it's a numbers game today. So we'll see what we can do, guys. Stay tuned. Hella small. Hella small. The drop shot for the win. Ooh, this fish is warm. Oh, this fish is really warm. Woo, that was a big one. You see that? Yeah. It was hella big. It's like 4 times. I got another bite. Oh, missed it. Oh, it's still there. There you go. I knew I found the juice. Stop jumping. So small. But it's all about the numbers today, baby. Yeah. Alright guys, so let me show you how I'm fishing this thing. You cast it out there, right? Let it sink all the way to the bottom. You can fish this in grass. You can fish this on the rocks, what I'm doing now. It's really versatile. Let it sink all the way to the bottom. Reel it in, get some slack in. Hop it up and down like what I'm doing. Hop it, shake it, drag it. Figure out what the fish want. Do all 3 of those things. I think I found the pattern, Arvin. I think I found the pattern. If you could find rocky areas, fish that, and I think that's where they're chilling as of right now. This one's another one. Another one. I think I found the juice, baby. That's a good one. Yeah, baby. Oh, that's fish. They're so small. Oh, look. Water ski. Ski, ski, ski. Water gun. See, this is so small. This fish didn't even try to fight. Yerp! There's a fish. So this is what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna reel in the slack a little bit, confirm the bite. Don't be afraid to take your time, guys. The fish is not going to go anywhere. It's not going to put the bait in its mouth and then spit it back out. Eek! This one's bleeding out, so. Oh, got a bite. See, like when I'm not paying attention and I'm paused. Oh, this one's fighting good, but I don't. Oh my God, this is a fighter. Oh, that's a good one. Woo, best one of the day. I was talking to the deer up there. Came up with this beauty. This is a good one. It's got big ol' eyes. Big ol' eyeballs. Beautificus. Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, sir. How are you?
Get anything?
Caught like 10. What are you fishing for, bass too?
Yeah.
How many did you catch?
I ain't caught anything. I just been after bass like that, man.
Oh, okay. Do you know what a drop shot is?
Yeah.
Try. That's what I was using. That's what I basically caught everything on. So. Yeah, yeah. Good luck.